Previously on Chemistry Detectives.
Quantum mechanics.
Did we understand it?
Yes.
And no.
At the same time.
Global warming is undoubtedly very complex, with almost a seemingly infinite amount of factors all contributing. Is it natural? Maybe. Is it artificial? Maybe. It's probably our fault. Regardless, let's look at one factor which may be contributing to this phenomena. Solar variation.
The sun is our primary source of heat, light, and UV radiation. While the latter isn't exactly favorable, we notice that the sun itself isn't consistent. It doesn't always give off the same exact amount of light, heat, or UV, or from the same spots.
A sunspot is a spot on the sun that doesn't give off the same amount of heat as neighboring areas. It is usually identified by its large amount of magnetic activity. The number of sunspots corresponds to an average 11-year sunspot cycle. Okay, but what's so significant about this? The sun may not be consistent, but does it need to be? It's massive. Therefore, something as small and spotty shouldn't really matter to us on Earth. Well, there is some evidence.
The number of sunspots do correlate with the intensity of solar radiation. In history, it has been observed that from the 17th century to about mid-19th century, there was a recorded low of sunspot numbers. This was called the Maunder minimum. This just so happened to occur during the middle of the Little Ice Age in Europe, which was described in history, paintings, stories, and other mediums.
There may be a direct connection here, but does this mean the more sunspots there are, the warmer it is? A warmer period, like right now?
A study of sunspot reconstruction from the past 11,000 years to present was completed in 2004. Here's what S.K. Solanki and his team have to say.
According to our reconstruction, the level of solar activity during the past 70 years is exceptional, and the previous period of equally high activity occurred more than 8,000 years ago. Although the rarity of the current episode of high average sunspot numbers may indicate that the sun has contributed to the unusual climate change during the 20th century, we point out that solar variability is unlikely to have been the dominant cause of the strong warming period during the last 3 decades.
There you have it, folks. Solar variability is apparently a factor in global warming. We have to decide how much effect it really has. You be the judge. Thanks. See you next time. Wait, that's hilarious. Wait, can I get another shot?